Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of mine. I'm filming in the bathroom of all places, but this is the only place where I get natural light. Even though it's all day, I still get natural light. I'm just about to have pizza on a Friday and fries. I've been doing really well. Exercising have been going great. I did a full workout yesterday and I fell asleep straight after. And I'm going to do, sorry the way I look. I've got my hair in a messy bun. My hair is like a day. When I woke up, I didn't do my hair, and I'm gonna brush it and that later. I'm going to the movies tomorrow, so I might vlog a bit. I'm going to see Despicable Me 2. So, I'm gonna check on my sister first. She might be on it, and my nephew might be on it. And that'll be up on Day in a Life vlog. So I'll film us in the pictures. I won't be on it, but I'll film us getting sweets and then getting sweets and stuff, and then I might film a little bit in the cinema. And if you hear that, it's raining. It's really coming down. Actually, I'll go and show you. This is the bathroom. I've got a new phone case. Yay me. Look at the rain. Pretty soon. Actually, if I open up the I don't want to get my phone wet, but look. Look at the drips. So, not a nice day at all. So I'm going to end it right here. And now it's going to be a quick vlog, but hopefully I will film tomorrow a bit. So see you soon. Oh, and next weekend I'm going to be doing a part 1, part 2, part 3. Me putting my makeup on, and then me with the outfit on, outfit of the day. And then I'll vlog a little bit afterwards before I leave the hotel room to go to my cousin's wedding. I'll film me, I'm not going to be filming because she doesn't want to be on camera, and she doesn't want to be, they don't know about my YouTube channel. My close media family do, but not my other family, and it's private, and she wouldn't want to be, if she did know, she wouldn't want to be on camera anyway, so it's private. So, I might film before and a little bit in the bathroom with my fiance sleep in the hotel room with my outfit still on her.